Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your HP Envy 5055 printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for HP Envy 5055 drivers, and you want to search for that. Best results should come back with HP Envy 5055 all-in-one printer software. Open that link up. It should take you to an HP support page here. You want to scroll down and expand software utility, and then select the HP Envy 5000 all-in-one print and scan driver and accessory item in here, and download it. And then once it's downloaded to your computer, you want to go ahead and open up that file to run it. Should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then proceed with the installation depending on your preferences, whether it's a wired or wireless based connection. Follow through with the on-screen steps here, and that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.